liver is responsible for hundreds of biological processes, and it's protecting us from the onslaught of environmental toxins is very important. To do its job well, it needs to be functioning correctly. If your liver is struggling and feeling congested, you might be experiencing signs such as bloating, flatulence, weight gain, headaches, poor sleep, and mood. These can all be signs that your liver is struggling. Liver and Detox can help. Herbs included in liver and detox include herbal medicines with a long reputation for their role in protecting the liver. This is milk thistle, dandelion, turmeric, and globe artichoke, all promoting the effectiveness and health of the gallbladder and the liver. We've combined these herbs with heavy-hitting cellular detoxificating agents that actually increase free radical scavenging effects, such as selenium and L-glutathione. You can take liver health and detox for a month as part of a cleanse with a healthy lifestyle protocol, or you can take 2 capsules a day to promote healthy elimination and detoxification, to support healthy gastrointestinal. For a month as part of a cleanse